Are you a beginner quilter or you need a quilt super fast?
Then our free pattern is perfect for you.
Hi, it's Donna Robertson.
And John Nossel with Fabric Café.
Have you ever needed a gift quilt in a hurry?
Or maybe you're a beginner quilter and you're looking for something simple to make?
Well, our next free pattern is the perfect one for you. It's fast, it's easy, and super fun. Now, our quilt is really one that lives up to its name, So Fast. It is so fast to make, and it lives up to all of the things that you look for in a pattern too, because it's super simple to make. It's all done with strip piecing. Each block is just the same block. It's a one block, and you can use a double focus. It just covers all of the bases. Now this is the number one block here, and it can accommodate directional fabric. We do not recommend directional fabric for the number two, so that would be great if you have a tossed fabric. Now let's get together and look at the fabric that we have chosen for our first quilt. So this fun quilt, let's talk about how it's made, because it is super simple, and we've got some pieces and parts for you. And we've got this precious
We know
fabric.
how much they like those pieces and parts.
Oh yeah, it is just so much fun to see how simple and easy it is to make these quilts. So the number one block, as I said earlier, it is going to be able to use a directional fabric, but you are going to use a tossed fabric with this one. And you make a strip pieced assembly like this. Now you just cut long strips, you sew them together on the long side, and then you cut the piece off like that. So this is just cut right off of the end of that, and guess what? Your first block is finished. It's that easy.
Great.
It is so super easy to make this block. So this is going to be the number one block, and it's going to go right here.
And of course, remember, we've got our seam allowances on here, so these are going to look a little bit bigger than our finished quilt. So
that's
keep
true.
that in mind.
Okay, now the second block made with the number two fabric is exactly the same thing. You are going to use a different fabric, but you're going to sew your three pieces together like that, and then you're going to cut off the block. Now remember when we said earlier that if you needed a fast quilt, that this is the one? Or
And this totally lives up to its name.
it does.
So fast.
It really does. And then that block gets turned like this. And that's what creates that look that you're seeing on the quilt, where it's going one way and then the other. Identical blocks, so it's a one block. You can use directional fabric. It is just such a fun quilt.
And we can even point out this is almost kind of one of these double focus designs. So
Yes.
you've got two different colorways with our fabric here, our main focus fabric, and so it works great with that.
So the number one fabric has that subtle green look behind it. It's just a real soft green in the background. And that is going to go everywhere where you see the red fabric here. It's going to be using the one with the light green background.
So cute.
Yes. And then this one's identical print. It's got a white background. It's going to go everywhere that you see the gray background on this particular quilt. And then I love the way it creates that separation between the two so that you can use similar designs. A lot of times I like to just buy the same focus print in two different colors like this. I think it's a fun way to use that. And then you use this for those joining blocks that are created by just cutting your blocks out of the strips.
Exactly, and the contrast that we get with that when we're using that dark fabric in that number three position is just awesome. So it really gets everything to pop.
Well, let's show them an image so that they can see how fun this is.
Oh, wow.
It is just a soothing, deserty, wonderful kind of a quilt that you're going to love wrapping up with. Will that help you be even warmer, knowing that it was desert plants whenever you're in the middle of the winter?
I don't know, it might be itchy or pokey or something. But I think this pattern is so versatile because you can use large prints in it, small prints like we've got with our little cactus design here. So it's just an awesome pattern.
So this kit is called Looking Sharp, and it is using the So Fast free pattern.
So our next fabric selection that we've got for you today is this beautiful mosaic flowers, sunsets. I think it's just really a neat design. It gives a lot of variety into it and everything. I think it's going to work really great with our So Fast pattern today. So
I love the mosaic look. That is just so cool, the way that you've got those. I love the way mosaics are made with the little bitty pieces.
Yeah, this kind of reminds me a little bit, is Patricia and I had the opportunity to go to Greece back in 2017, and one of the ruins that we went to had a mosaic floor on it. And so here we are in this 2,000-year-old structure looking at this beautiful mosaic, and it was really just cool to see all of the small pieces, like you're saying, with the small pieces of tile.
Lasting beauty.
Lasting beauty. So this is a great fabric. It's going to go into our number 1 position here. And we're going to be able to have that in there, and it looks just great with that. Our number 2 fabric, which will be in our secondary block, is still kind of a little bit of a mosaic feel to it. And it's going to be a great one that's going to contrast nicely with that, because we've got some of the little squares and the triangles and the circles that we're seeing in the motif design here.
This is a great number 2 for this one, because this one is such a eye-catching design in the number 1 fabric. And this gives so much interest to the number 2 spot, but it's not competing at all.
That's true.
Yeah, I like it.
And then our number 3 fabric, which is going to really tie all of this together, is this really nice medium blue that we've got here. That's going to just really pop when we get it in here on the sashing around each of these blocks, and really make a great design for you. So let's look at the image of this quilt and show you what this is going to look like. So as you see, we've got just a lot of burst of color on this one. And I think it's really a nice design, because it's giving us that one block in there to show us our mosaic print that we've got on here.
And it's a very happy quilt, that sunshiny kind of a look. I love it.
It is.
I always think of happy and bright about the yellows like that. It's gorgeous.
And it's cheery, and it would be great to put in like a sunroom or something like that.
Oh,
It
yeah.
would just be wonderful for that.
I really like that. Remember that these patterns change every few months, so you need to get it while it's here. You can download it for free at Fabric Café. It's under the free goodies tab.
So the kit information for this is called Mosaic Sunburst, and again, it's using that So Fast pattern.
Well, this is a flashback quilt.
It totally is.
I love the looks of, and I love the look of all the flowers with I'm a real flower child.
Yes.
I'm from that era. And this one just makes my heart happy. Makes me feel young and excited and like the whole world before me. So you can have one of these whole world before you and a quilt in no time at all.
Well, this reminds me of a Volkswagen Beetle.
Which was your first car?
The Beetle, but I'm thinking of like the little van that they had.
Oh, okay.
So you could imagine this, on that back deck in the back, you'd have a couple of pillows and a quilt made and all of that stuff. That would be just so cool to have in that van.
Yes. Well, we actually did have a Volkswagen van
we
when
did.
John was a kid, and it had green shag carpet on the
This would have been
roof
great
and
with
the
that.
sides. Okay, there's our true confession for today.
There we are.
Okay, the number 1 fabric is going to go in the number 1 spot where you see the red trucks here. And then the number 2, keeping that happy, bubbly, fun fabric, will be in the number 2. I love that. That is just so cute. It's like the motif picks up the circle here that's in the center of the flower. So it's just the perfect combination of fabrics. It's going to go right here in the number 2 spot. And then we're going to use this great textural blue for our sashing and over here on the border. This is so fun, and I am so excited to show the image. Just look at that. This would have looked
so great.
It would have looked so good in our Volkswagen
It would have.
bus. We had all you kids in the back, and we just had a blast with that vehicle. I can remember going down to the beach on it.
We did.
But isn't this just the greatest quilt? It is so fun. And I love that color combination. And the fact that you can just really get the contrast between that number 1 and 2 fabric. So this one is called Groovy Blooms. It is the So Fast pattern.
Our next fabric set continues to remind me of that time era of, the flowers and the hippie things. When I first saw this fabric, I thought of Yellow Submarine by the Beatles.
Oh,
if
how
you
funny.
ever saw the video, which I'm sure a lot of our audience has, it was that illustrated, fun, funky kind of
I had forgotten
design.
that.
And this reminds me of that. I think this is just a fun quilt fabric that we have here. And this is going to look great when we put it in here into our number 1 position.
Oh, that Yes.
And this also is one of those directional fabrics that we have, so it's going to be perfect in that number one because we can use that directional fabric in here. And it's going to look great with that. And then our secondary fabric that we have here is kind of a stripy kind of a feel.
And it is a directional fabric, but,
Right.
but we get to be rule breakers,
We
right?
do. So we're going to have all of those stripes in here. I believe it's this way. And then our number three fabric is this really nice dark blue that's going to pick up the dark blues that we have in here. And I think that's going to really just be a really nice design on this particular kit. So let's take a look at this image, and like we said, it is just really a fun, neutral, warm feeling with this one that we can have.
You know, this quilt has so much movement in it just by the fact that you've rotated that exact same block construction.
It does.
It looks like it's woven whenever you do it like this with this type of fabric.
So
it
true.
just has that woven look. I like that, which creates a whole lot of movement.
It does.
Because you can actually see the fabric going up and coming down underneath that other piece. It's the way it looks.
It does create that optical illusion with that. So the kit name on this one is called Misty Grove, and it's using that So Fast pattern.
I love one color pop in a black and white quilt. I just think it has such a wonderful, crisp, lovely, 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 lovely. And so this one has the hot pink, which is just always fun. And it's going to go in the number one position. And this is kind of a subtle, kind of geometric shapes on these are the only thing that you're really seeing. And that is just so cool. So the number one fabric will be the pink here. The number two with another geometric kind of a pattern going on here. I love that as well. And it is going to go in the number two. And then to tie them together, we're going to use the black fabric for your block whenever you make that super simple block. It's going to have that black, and then it is going to cause the pink pop to really stand out.
This really reminds me of one of the first quilts that we gave Patricia. It was this pattern, and it was a red, white, and black, and it's still on our couch today. I mean,
I
she
saw
loves
that last
quilt.
weekend when I was there.
That's true.
Yes. And it is and it's that one pop color that is so fun.
And again, this pattern is so versatile with what you can do with it.
Yes, just about any fabric is going to look fantastic. I bet you too love that single pop of color in this quilt.
This looks fantastic.
It does. It just has, it's fun, but it has a crisp look too. I really
does.
like that.
And this really does highlight that illusion of overlapping and that woven look that it has on it, so it's great.
Yeah, I think it's whenever you have the softer, subtler background colors, then it really does make it pop more than a bigger print. And so I think that's one of the beauties of this particular quilt. And this one is called Geo Pop, and it is the So Fast pattern.
I'm going to bet you our cats, if we had this sitting on our couch, would be always sitting over here pawing at it, trying to make those feathers move. You can understand.
Yeah, I do. Yeah, their favorite toys are things with feathers on them.
That is true. Ours, we'll get a feather out of one of our pillows or something like that will come out for some reason, and the cats will just chase that feather all over the house. Anyway, enough about that. So we have our number one fabric here is going to be our feathers. And again, this is another one of our directional fabrics. And this is going to be really cool because it is going to have that stripe in this. And then our number two fabric is a really neat little design in here that's going to complement the blues that we have in our number one fabric. And that's going to be in our number two block on the quilt here. And then our number three, we got a little bit funkier, but this is really, really fun, is going to be out here on our border, so you're going to get a lot of variety of color and texture and shape and movement in those borders that we've got on the within the quilt and around the sashing of each one of the blocks.
I love that.
And of course, we've got to point out here that it's all of the colors are really being highlighted on this. We've got the blues, the pinks, the browns, and all of that stuff. So it really is a great look and feel of that. So
that's really neat, putting it into the sashing like that.
that is.
That's really cool.
As you can see, we've got lots of movement and design in this design. We can even see that we've got those feathers out there on the borders. So you you almost have that illusion of a stripe, but you have little bits of those feathers there that you're seeing. So this is just a fun little design.
It is really nice. And I always think about how the fabric draws your eye into the quilt.
It does.
And how important it is that the contrast in the pattern so that you can see that movement that's going on in the quilt top. I love this one.
It's really a neat design. Mm-hmm. So the name of this one is called Fun Feathers, and again, we're using the So Fast pattern.
This pattern is so fast and easy, you can make a quilt top in a day.
But remember, it's only available for free for a limited time, so go check out our free goodies and download it now.
And if you would like to get some other ideas for quilt tops that you can make in a day, be sure to watch the video that pops up.
Happy quilting!